Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Just Sandy, for those of you that were in Southern Moms Live, you'll know what I'm talking about. We are going to be talking about a Birchbox Man. But before we get started with this, I'd like to welcome everyone to the video, to my channel. I welcome everyone with open arms. Thank you for being here. You're greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. I got my little set going on in the back. I hope you like it. I need a name for the hand back there, and then I also need a name for the pink skull right here. I'm taking names, put them down in the description box, the comment section down below, and let me know what kind of names we can call them. My cat already came and started chewing on my tree, so I have to put the tree up right before I leave for the night. So welcome, thank you for being here. So let's get started. I don't want to waste too much time, but if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also the thumbs up or down, whatever you prefer, makes no difference to me. And also I think I'm close to 1,600 subscribers. So once I reach 2,000 subscribers, I will be having another giveaway, a big giveaway. I'm actually getting everything together. I will be having a video to show everything off for that giveaway. It's not difficult at all. I just got to reach 2,000 subscribers, and then the box or bag or whatever I put it in will be up for grabs. So I think I'm at like almost 1,600. I think I'm at like 1,570 right now. So 2,000 and we'll have a great big giveaway. I'm actually, like I said, I'm getting everything ready, and I will have a video to showcase everything that will be in that giveaway. But anyways, let's get started with Birchbox Man. This is a monthly subscription. I try to make it smooth by just going with one, and no, it had to like break up in a couple. That's inside the box. So Birchbox Man, my little thumbnail, is a monthly subscription plan. This one is $10 a month, and it's geared towards the man or grooming box. I use some of the products that's in the box as well because, well, my husband doesn't use them, and might as well. Oh, and I'm also having a giveaway when I get to, I don't know, I'm just gonna have a giveaway randomly, I guess, from now until 2,000. It's gonna have nothing but men products inside the box. Actually, let me get it. Okay, so this will be a random giveaway between now and 2,000 subscribers. I can give it away when I hit 1,700, or when I reach 1,600, or when I reach 1,800. This box is full of products for man or for women. I don't know, whoever enjoys these products. But I'm actually adding to this as we go. So this is a lot of the products that came in my Birchbox Man boxes, but we'll get to this after I pull everything out of this box, because I might add some more stuff to that box. So this is October 2019 Birchbox Man. Let me do the correct thumbnail. So okay, so this is exactly what it looks like when you open up the box. Well, not exactly, you don't get all that stuff coming out. So it says heading out, here's a drink to kick off your night. It's a Easter maple syrup, lime juice, bourbon, cold ginger beer, and a lime slice. That's the recipe if you want that. And then it says staying in. They have a little what is it, get cozy, cue up the Netflix, maybe, and pop on some eye patches, then settle, and then you can do that part. That's actually kind of neat. I think I'm gonna do this. Eye cream. Oh, that's the answers. I started reading the answers that are in the corner. Such a dork. And these are all the products that are inside the box. It says, what are you up to tonight? Yeah, what are you up to? We don't need to know what you do after dark. You do you, boo. but we do think you can incorporate this card into your nighttime plans. Go ahead, pick that side that speaks to you. Honestly, you're gonna do this. Whatever. Anyways, so what does this say? So Birchbox, why can't I say that damn word? Birchbox finds. We love sending you the latest top shelf grooming to try and hopefully love. We also keep an eye out for those harder to find steals that deliver great results at a killer price point. Our latest discovery is the Dove Men Plus Cares Fortifying 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And then it says the full size is $5.90, and then there's one sold every 4 seconds. So that's the little card that's in there, and that's in here as well. Oh. So with Birchbox Man, again, it is $10 a month. I think November is going to be my last month. I signed up for a 6-month subscription. It is cheaper than the women's box. The women's box is $15 a month, but this one did stay at $10. I mean, you get nothing but samples in this box for $10, and it's free shipping. Well, I shouldn't say free shipping. I would say knock out maybe about $3 for the shipping charge that they probably get charged to send this box, so $7 for everything that's in the box. So let's see if it's worth it. So we got 2 wipes. What are these? There's 2 Duke Cannon Supply Cold Shower Cooling Field towels, and this says the full size, I don't know what a full size is, maybe a box of them, is $6.99, and it says remove dirt and oil with these wipes that pair aloe with menthol for a fresh clean. Use anywhere in your body, no rinsing required. Oh, actually these would probably be good when you go camping. You throw these in there, and if you need to like wash up a little bit, these are good. Made in USA with domestic and imported materials. It says not for clowns. What does that mean? What do you mean not for clowns? So Rich Lux can't use these? I love you, Rich Lux. Yeah, for cool down and recover for face and body. And then, oh, and you know what? With Duke Cannon, I believe all their products, because the person who founded this company is a veteran. So a portion of proceeds benefits U.S. veterans. All their products will say that a portion of proceeds benefits U.S. veterans. So that's great. You not only are you buying the towels that you may need, that's actually going to a great organization. And you know, my daughter is a Marine, so that kind of like hits home now for her. And my family. I got a lot of family that were in the armed forces and friends too. So anyways, let's continue. The next item is Air Repair. Which one's that one? Super Hydrating Eye Cream. Wow, the full size is $24.50. Now, not only men can use this, women can use this as well. So it says this cream hydrates, reduces puffiness and fine lines, and brightens dark circles. This is just a little sample, and the full size, I don't know what the size is $24.50. Dispense cream onto finger and gently pat onto under eyes. And you know, I'm gonna put this in the box of giveaways. I think there's one already in there, isn't there? No. So I'm gonna throw that in the box of giveaways, the Air Repair. The next thing is Billy Jealousy Headlock Molding Cream. I think we got this before, didn't we? No, we didn't. The other one I had was green, and I don't know what I did with it. The full size of this product is $16. I'll show you. Oh, that's the product there. It says apply a small amount to dry or damp hair and style as desired. It smells, oh, I love this. I love men products. They smell so good. I don't know if it's like the woodsy smell in it. It just smells so clean. Oh, it smells so good. I love this. Then the Duke Cannon towels are $6.99 for full size of that. I don't know what a full size is, a box, I believe. The next thing we have is Hims Sleep Gummy Vitamins. The full size is $19. Tackle restless nights with these melatonin vitamins that help support sleep. Chamomile and L-theanine help you unwind. Take up to 3 a night. These are the vitamins that help support sleep. Don't let your loud roommates or neighbors keep you from those necessary REM cycles. After all, empires aren't built without some good snoozing in between. Well, if that's the case, then I guess hers is gonna take some Hims. I'm gonna try these out. Ooh. Oh, they're so cute. They're gummy bears. So they have sugar in them. 3 grams of sugar for 2 gummies. So Mmm. These are so good. Just take up to 3. I'm gonna take 2. I'll let you know how they do. That's really delicious. They taste like grape. I want to eat the whole thing. So those are Hims, but hers is gonna take it. And the full size is $19. And then we also have Jack Black Supreme Cream Triple Cushion Shave Lather. Full size is $27. 3 hydrating layers form a cushion between your skin and the blade for a pain-free shave. Activate the cream by working into a rich lather. Rinse face with cold water. This I'm going to give to my husband or even myself. So that's what it looks like. And the full size is $27. But they don't give me like full sizes like 4 ounces, 3 ounces, 2 ounces. It just says $27. And then of course we got the little extra. And we have the Dove Men Plus Care Fresh Clean with caffeine and menthol. What? Oh my god, that smells so good. Love it. It smells delish. So this is a nice size bottle. This is like a $3 bottle sample of 3 ounces. Fresh and clean with caffeine and menthol. This smells really good. I think I'm gonna keep this for myself because gotta wash the hairs. So everything that came in this box was $10. Was the Dove Men and Care shampoo and conditioner, the eye cream that I'm putting away in that giveaway, the Hims that I just took, the sleep gummy vitamins. So I'll let you know how they do. The cold shower cooling fields. This is actually kind of cool. I know firefighters use some kind of towel, so after a fire they have towels that they use to like clean up their face and their hands and all that. I wonder if it works the same. The mountains of Afghanistan are not equipped with the state-of-the-art plumbing, so cold shower to escape the oppressive heat, dirt, and grime isn't an option. That's why Duke Cannon worked with the U.S. military personnel to develop cold shower cooling field towels. These face and body towels are made with menthol, aloe, and jojoba to provide a chilling blast as they cleanse and protect. The perfect way to cool down and recover after a 12-hour shift, covert field missions, or back alley boxing matches. There you go. So that is like pretty much what like the firemen use one as well. That's actually pretty awesome. So you get 2 of those. This is actually a good deal. And I'm gonna put one of these in the giveaway. So that I'll keep one and then I'll put one in the giveaway. We also have the Billy Jealousy Headlock Molding Cream, and the full size is $16. We have that, and then we also have the Supreme Cream Triple Cushion Shave Leather that I'm going to give my husband. I'm going to have him try it out and see if he likes it. And that's everything that came in the box for $10. Let me know what you think of everything that came in the box. Let me know if this is something you'd get your man. You can give your man, your son, your cousin, your uncle, anybody. You can buy it for yourself and use the products as well. $10 is not that bad. I don't think so. I just, like I said, I did sign up. Oh, and you know what Birchbox has? Birchbox has gift certificates. So let's say you want to give somebody a gift. You can buy them the gift certificate and then just give them the gift certificate, and they can sign up whenever they want and have it sent to whoever they want or wherever they want, and then they can start getting it that way. Also, I don't know if you're familiar, but Walgreens also has Birchbox. They do the subscription plan as well. So just throwing that out there, because then you can use Ebates. I think Ebates, if you sign up for Birchbox using Ebates, you get some money back as well. So, or Rakuten or whatever it's called. I will link everything down below. If you don't have Ebates, you don't know what that it's about, I'll link it down below so you can start earning cash back, especially right now with the holidays. I've already made $30 in the last maybe month and a half. I've gotten contacts. I bought some stuff off of Macy's. I bought some stuff at Walmart that I know I could just go and pick up and give 4%, 5%. Sephora sometimes does 10%, especially during the holidays. Ulta does 4%, and during the holidays or during the special times of the years, they do 10% as well. So just saying, if you know you're gonna spend some money, why not make some money back? So let me go through the items in the giveaway really quickly. This video is like super long. So this video, if I can get to, I don't know, 1,600 or 1,700, anything, once I reach 1600, this box will go up for grabs. You know, I'll let you know when I'm gonna do a video and say, hey, I'm gonna do the video, whatever. So look out, because this is a great gift you can give to somebody in your life, or you could just keep it for yourself. However you choose, you know. So let's go through the box items. So I'm throwing in one of those cold shower cooling field towels. I am also throwing something called Everyman Jack Volcanic Clay Face Wash with Shine Control. I believe they sell this at Target. I'm also throwing in there some shaving cream, and this is from the Art of Shaving. Oh, this one smells so good. Sandalwood. Oh, it smells so good. So this is sandalwood essential oil, brush or brushless. That one there, and that's from the Art of Shaving. I'm also throwing in the Journeyman Natural Body Wash. What else do we have in here? We also have Skin Renewing Face Scrub, Port Products, number 5 exfoliating scrub for men. Like I said, you can use it too. I don't see the big deal. I've used a lot of the products from the Birchbox Man box. This is Super Hydrating Eye Cream, the one that I just received in the box, and that's kind of pricey. And then we have a hydrating conditioner and a hydrating shampoo. That'll be in the giveaway as well. We also have a Harry's Body Wash, refreshing scent of fresh herbs. It smells, oh, it smells so good. So that's gonna go in there. I believe they sell this at Walmart and Target as well. And then I also have this called Bulldog, and you get 3 things. You get the shave gel, a face wash, and a moisturizer. And it says man's best friend. So far that's everything that's going to be coming in this, that'll be in this box. I probably will add a few more items in here. I'll go through whatever I have over there, but this is a great little giveaway, information on a giveaway. So I won't post it yet. We'll wait till we get to 1600, 1700 maybe subscribers, but definitely getting ready for a 2000 subscriber giveaway. That one's going to be big because, as you can see back there, I have a lot of stuff. And yeah, there's a lot of things that I'll be giving away. Oh, and I'm still randomly giving away the Hello Kitty. I do have the Hello Kitties put away, and I will be giving those away as well. So that's it. Thank you for being here. I truly appreciate it. And that's it. So don't forget, I need names for the hand and I need names for the skull. I think I have a few other skulls that I'll be putting out as well. And that's it. So thank you all for being here. I truly appreciate it. From mi casa to your casa, thank you for hanging out with this girl called Just Sandy. Thank you all for being here. Until next time, hasta laterz.